When the world advances with new technologies and wider connectivity, some work behind the scenes to fill in the tiny gaps that lead to groundbreaking advancement. Here at NSW, we empower precise automation from Penang, Malaysia, that shapes and designs the coming future today. And this is only the beginning. Since our founding in 2004, our very first-gen time-pressure liquid dispensing system has inspired the journey of developing an array of world-class dispensing systems that people across the globe love and trust. With many centers all over the globe, headquartered in Penang, Malaysia, our global footprint includes places all over the world. With a diverse and versatile team, we are at the forefront of a stronger, vibrant future that is shaping worldwide micro-technology and digital transformations. Our next-generation products create realities out of imagination. Mass production series. These machines are used for mass manufacturing and making the smart devices we use daily. R&D lab or desktop series. Our lab series focuses on small-scale applications. Aside from producing exceptional solder dots as small as 80 microns, our pioneered squeezing pump technology is perfect to level up the playing field. Our patented volumetric dispensing systems empower users to achieve exceptional outputs. NSW is committed to forging the infrastructures of various sectors around the globe. Besides business, we care about our community as well. Our workshops, outreaches, and sharing activities help build community relationships and exchange information. We are steadfast in the values of accountability, courage, passion, integrity, trust, and respect. Thanks to our dedicated team members, because together we can build a better tomorrow.